cheap.
Bounce. West side, make them bounce right now. North side, make them bounce right now. Middle finger to the odds right now. Nigga, is you down for the cause right now? Bed side, make them bounce right now. Get the money and we out right now. Get the boys that they want right now. In the spot right now, make them bounce right now like that.
Working, whipping, grinding, no more time, and I guess I should take it slow.
Y'all already know what time it is. Like, what time? It is time for comment shout outs. It's the first comment shout out of the year. Hey, happy new year 2020. What's good? The first comment shout out goes to the one, the only Ose. Like, every video, she is here. She is aware. You get me? The second goes to HFM family. Always down below. Y'all already know. The third shout out goes to my boy D, aka Daniel. What's good? Thanks for supporting me. And the fourth goes to my girl Kimmy. Okay, what's good, Kimmy? Happy New Year. The fifth comment shout out goes to Adeze. Like, what's good, girl? Like, what's good? I'll see you later on this week. I appreciate all your comments, y'all. Keep on coming. Every video, keep on coming. Welcome back to another Melanin Mondays.
Melanin.
It's Black History Month. You know we have to celebrate the chocolate skin are enriched. We are powerful. We are strong. We are resilient people. And you know, I wanted to make sure that I celebrated the chocolate melanin. Okay, the melanin within us that seeps through. And I've been really into a lot of browns and melaninated, melanicious skin tone type colors. So I wanted to make sure I did a Melanin Mondays celebrating our beautiful skin. And you already know it's Black History Month, but Black history is year round. Okay, we are history, Black history. So don't get it twisted. Okay, they want to give us the shortest month out of the year. No. So you already know. If you think the melanin is popping 365 days of the year, okay, keep on watching. Yes, I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. This week's been a rough one. Previous week has been a rough one. Y'all seen the vlogs that I put out at the top of the year. You know, I was on a high. Like, it was great. It was lovely. Yes, it was all the above. But shortly after, it wasn't also great. I'm definitely going through a little bit of something personal, but as well, what put the icing on the cake, I feel like, to make me feel a little bit just like sad. You know, it's okay to be down. It's okay to go through moods. It's the passing of the one and only Kobe Bryant. Y'all don't understand. Kobe, childhood idol, brought my family together several times, occasions. Like, me and my brothers are huge Kobe fans. Like, not even Lakers fans. Honestly, if Kobe played for any team, we would be fans of that team. It was definitely a shocker, like to most. It came out of nowhere. Kobe is just such an inspiration, very much so an inspiration to me. Biggest lesson I can say how this whole thing is that just be grateful to live every day. And if you have goals, if you have aspirations, work hard to achieve them and become the best that you can be at whatever it is that you choose to do in life. Like, you just gotta apply the Mamba mentality to everything that you do. You gotta apply that Mamba mentality and just kill it at anything that you want to be successful in this life at. You just got to kill it and do that thing. So once again, rest in power to Kobe and Gianna. So yeah, let's get on with this look, okay? Always loved Black Radiance. Like I said, Black Radiance is a brand that is catered to melanin enriched individuals. One of my favorite foundations is right here, their Color Perfect HD Mousse foundation. And this is it right here. And what I like to do is just put a little bit on my finger right here, and then I just, then I just take it. You don't need a lot, and just rub it on your face.
Tap it on your face. Tap it on your face. Hey.
Anyway, y'all, so I know 2020, okay, everyone's like 2020, new me. It's a new vision, all that stuff, 2020 vision. I get it, okay, I get it. Woo! I get some on my edge control. Always. 2020, new vision, new, all that good stuff. You know what I'm talking about? Honestly, this year, what we really need to start focusing on is financial literacy, y'all. Not even gonna lie, y'all. I'm not the best when it comes to sticking to financial plans. Well, I'm good at organization, okay? Organization, organizing my thoughts, I'm good at. But actually, like, persistently implementing them, consistently implementing them, y'all, your girl needs help.
I need help on that, like, badly.
The thing I noticed is that I'm a very visual type person. So one thing I did was create like Google Docs of my goals. Because in February, y'all, this is my first video of February, but in February I plan on uploading every week. I have to be consistent. Like, consistency is key, okay? If I want to get anywhere or any type of thing going, I'm going to be consistent and I'm going to be uploading every week.
So be expecting a new video every week starting this month. And this is number 1.
Well, I'm different. I like to put foundation on, then do my eyes, then conceal after, just to like get rid of all the fallout that falls out. So what I'm going to do, y'all, since we're doing like a whole melanated type look, Glow For It palette, and it's a highlighter, but man, they have this beautiful color right here. I'm just gonna put that on my crease because you know we want to be chocolate, okay? Speaking of chocolate, y'all, Valentine's Day is coming up. I love how my voice got like lower when I started talking about Valentine's Day. I have a whole Valentine's Day video coming out. You see how this is like putting little subtle type like brown. It's not too harsh, but it's just like a subtle type brown. Next, what I'm going to do is take another color. You already know I had to use the Aina palette. This color right here, called Credit. I'm just putting this in the corner right here. You see that? And it's okay if you go a little bit past, you know what I'm saying? It's okay. It's alright because we're gonna clean that up anyway, but I just wanna deepen this quarter up.
Like I said, I want to look like a Hershey Kiss, like just straight up so much brown.
I'm gonna take the Glow For It palette again, and I'm just gonna put this lovely color. I'm gonna take this dark brown right here. Ooh, this is so sparkly, like I love it. Look at that. Look at that, like, I mean. Yes, y'all. Even like my earrings, y'all, are chocolate. Like chocolate little pendants and then chocolate. What? What am I trying to say? It has the diamonds and then it has a little brown little, you know, things in them. Can y'all see that? So what I did forget to do is put some of this Credit on my bottom. So I'm gonna put it right here. Next, y'all, next. Okay, we're gonna put some Dwollahs. That right in the middle. I don't want to put it. And might I say I love this brush that came with the palette. I don't want to put it all over my eyes. I just want it to have like a nice little pop. You know what I mean? And might I add that Black people in general, we have created a lot of things in this country, or just in general in the world, that we don't get credit for. So definitely do your research on that as well. And I'm gonna put some of that on my bottom. I like to right under here. Okay, so I'm gonna use this color right here, Soleil. My inner corner. That is looking good.
I'm gonna pack the hell out of this on. I don't care, because I'm trying to make this shine. Like
I said, financial literacy, all that, y'all, this year. I don't know if I have any other type like updates, you know what I mean? I'm checking on.
Cause ain't no stopping us now. We're on the move. Hey, 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 doing the most.
Always. Now let's start concealing this look. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. Y'all already know about Fenty Beauty, okay? I don't have to say a lot about Fenty Beauty, okay? Rihanna's taking over everything. Alright, I'm gonna take my beauty blender right here, give it a spritz. And blend this out. I always feel like bougie touching it like. Okay, so now that is nicely blended. A powder that I very much so appreciate, but I rarely use on that occasion because I always forget I have it. I don't think I've featured it on my channel before, but this is the Black Radiance press powder in the color Honey Glow. And I'm just gonna put it under my eye and let it stay for a little bit, and down my cheeks. Next, I'm gonna use contour. So for my contour, I'm gonna use this black Opal foundation stick right here. It's in the color Carob, C-A-R-O-B, Carob. I'm just gonna put that on here. So I'm put a little bit here, over here, and down my chin. I'm just gonna use the butt of my beauty blender, so spray it again and just pat it. Now the butt of it, and just patting it onto my skin, just dabbing it.
Oh!
You know, we're still trying to look melanated, okay? We're not trying to look unseasoned. Just taking my trusty foundation brush and just making sure everything is good. I'm taking this stippling brush under my eye, making sure that that is all blended out. Yes, y'all, so it's coming together. I mean, right? The face is done. Then we're gonna do, last but not least, eyelashes. Lashes I got from Amazon. These are them right here. And I'm just gonna put these lashes on. Y'all know it wouldn't be right, okay, this video wouldn't be right if I didn't play some tunes, because you know your girl is notorious for playing some tunes while I'm putting my eyelashes on, you know? So let me see. Your girl only uses Tidal. Okay, Tidal or nothing else. Like, what is a Spotify? Like, and no, I'm not sponsored by Tidal, but you all should get Tidal.
Give me one stool. I want to do my hair. Where's the other stool?
I'm filming with it.
Fading coffee brown. I mean, coffee brown melanin. Yeah.
"70 years later."
Last but not least, y'all, not least, since we're doing a chocolate look, okay, the lips have to be chocolate as well. Like, brown. Y'all, honestly, saying chocolate this much times is high-key making me hungry. But anyway, I'm gonna use my y'all, I'm such a fatty. Anyway, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild lip liner. Let's just get into that. I'm gonna use this beautiful lipstick that I got from Black Opal. Look at it. Yes. Ooh. It's really good. I'm gonna put it on. Look at that, y'all. Nice and chocolate. And I also want to use this lip gloss right here from the Covergirl Queen collection. And if y'all didn't know, the Covergirl Queen collection is still alive. The Queen collection is a collection that is pushed through Queen Latifah, and it's formulated for those people like us, beautiful melanated people, and their stuff is actually pretty good. And I really like their lip stuff too. I feel like they make good lip stuff for people of darker skin tones. The only fitting that I use this color as well because it's called $1 Million Mocha, okay? And y'all know, I mean, we're giving brown vibes. Like, this is a melanated tutorial. Ooh. Hey, am I not looking like your favorite chocolate snack? And then let me just take my hair. This is the final look, y'all. Thank y'all so much for making it to the end of this video. Hopefully I was able to put you on some new products, you know what I mean? I feel like this whole brown, like melanated, like look would look good on any of my melanated chocolate brothers and sisters, okay? Like I always say, y'all, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, okay? Thumb it up. Make sure y'all leave a comment, okay? Leave a comment down below about anything, but most of all, I'd like for y'all to leave, you know, a nice little comment down below about what you're trying to achieve this new year, 2020. My next goal, y'all, is 500 subscribers, and I would love for y'all to help me. So make sure you tap or click the subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.
Hey, hey, pride's gonna be the death of me. Hold up, wait, you know you gotta guard your energy. You can't match my pedigree, now you gotta pay a fee. This ain't free, what you need? Go.